Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into B612 app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The B612 app is a popular selfie and photo video editor with a lot of filters, effects, AR stickers and beauty cam features. So if you love tweaking selfies, creating fun social media content or glamming up everyday photos, it's got a lot going for you. But it isn't perfect. Many users say recent updates moved useful tools behind paywall, complain about occasional crashes or slower performance, and it's one that some features upgraded image quality or feels over processed. So in my opinion, I actually think B612 is worth using if you want an easy, rich feature tools for selfie and creative photos or videos on the go. If you prefer perfect natural image or free-only editing, though, you might want to try simpler or more reliable alternatives compared to this app. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.